Hi guys, it's Keith Archimer Farms, and today we're heading out to the front of the property, down the lowland, and we're going to do some wildcat farming. You know why it's called wildcat farming? It's because we just came down here, took over the neighbor's plot again. Just like last year with the arugula and spinach trials, which we got kind of, I don't know, mixed results on, but this time we're going to try to do a little better. But let me show you what we're doing down here. Okay, middle note, I need to update my intro. That's from a year and a half or so ago, and things have changed so much. Also, as you can see, there's what's left of our 4th of July celebration. I will put a clip right here. There it goes.
They hadn't got the antenna right yet, has it?
Huh. All right, there was a lot more cooler than that. I just only recorded a little bit. But here's down here at the plots. This is actually at my mom's house, which is down the hill in the lowland. We got here. That's her little tomato box I built quite a few years ago. Super simple. Little 2x8. Use pine boards, not pressure treated. 3/4, now 1-inch conduit going up, 3/4 across the top. And then we took little pieces of metal, slipped them down through to hold the top bar up. But we planted acorn squash. Put the cardboard down, did an acorn squash hole there and there. I fertilized and composted those. And then back over here in the other bed, we gotta get a lot more cardboard. We just have the beginning up front here. I poked 3 holes, one there, and one there. Those are going to be the Space Saver cucumbers. I want to try those. Those are a 60-day cucumber. Like I said, we're at the beginning of July right now, so August, September, October. So we got 3 months. We got 90 days to actually get produce out here. So a 60-day cucumber. We've got a lot of shade behind us. Let me get up in the air. So we get maybe 6 hours of sunlight, so I don't know what the results will be. It's always sketchy down here, but the great thing is that it also stays cool in the hottest time of the year. Same thing down here. I've got 6 holes here. I did acorn squash in all these. Blam, 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 blam. Pretty simple. Just skimmed the grass off the top of the surface, went through, threw a handful of fertilizer and about, I don't know, I brought a 5-gallon bucket of compost down and spread it in each of these holes and also underneath the cardboard. And then I'm going to take cardboard and I'm going to fill in all this in between to get rid of the rest of this grass, because quite frankly grass is annoying and we want to kill it all. So I'll keep you all update, see what we did. Hopefully successful. If it is, it is. If it's not, it's not. I also did the same thing up in my plot and took one of the beds right next to the high tunnel in plot 1 and planted a bunch of acorn squash in there. So hopefully we'll get some squash from my mother. So hope y'all like what you saw today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.